So at the beginning of October, I lost my phone on U Street in DC. And obviously, like, I did all the find my iPhone stuff. Like, I tried to play the sound to see if it was in the apartment and, like, put it in lost mode and tried to track it, but it was dead or turned off or whatever. So then yesterday, I get this email that a sound was played on my iPhone, which means that my phone was turned back on and it's now tracking it on Find My Friends. So I went to Find My Friends to try to see where my phone was, thinking it would still be in DC. And this bitch was in Ghana. She's in Africa. I don't know how she got there. It's been a couple long months for her, but now she's turned on and she's in Ghana. So it gives you the address, right? So I Googled the address in Ghana, and here she is at the phone store. No, it's like actually.
So right now my question is, how does she call her phone she? So the phone is a woman. Hey.
Young grocery.
How did you know that the pronoun thing affected inanimate objects too? Anyway, Seko Fama ya GAD. GH, stand up.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I already heard the lady, the beautiful Obrunino say phone yera, and phone yera. I should the phone yera October. No, I should phone some almost some mechanism to do so I find my phone. She said phone say anyway yera which will look at it after so. Now, since the phone I was off, I try and manti, and you will forget to crack the baby again. Just say, why on your notification, on your email be say, oh, the phone will be also, the phone is burning me. And see, you are when I saw where there was a phone was here. I say, I a phone of Ghana. Tiptoe circle to be precise. Phone shop. Yeah, so. That is it. So a missing iPhone has been found in Africa, Ghana, all the way from Washington DC. Oh yeah, tiptoe lane for the job video. Hey.
Young grocery.
No, famous casa.
Go and ask your grandfather.
Hey, and I'm also scammers. Say, Korean. Anyway, yeah, so, the capital of, Africa, Ghana.
Yeah.
Enjoyment place for Christmas 2021. Even enjoyment place for Christmas every year is Ghana. Once you say, okay, baby, if you don't agree, go and sleep somewhere. So, I think the South African DJ came to Ghana to, perform in this club. I heard his garage. Yeah. And, as part of his performance, he started throwing a lot of money. 26, baby, not throw it. And after throwing the money, most of the time when they do that, people just crumble over the money and all that. But I said, squad and no. That a decent quantity. I want to just come on, Joe. I want to just honestly, yeah, I think it's a plus for Ghanaians, yeah. I try to say, you know what your money says. I mean, if I can do that, that would be a different story altogether. It's, yeah, they're going to South Africa, you got to scam my SMP. And, yeah, to me, I think it's some class. Or Yeah, he went to the wrong place. Anyway, this is AD+B. I'm out.
And we say bye-bye.